Hey, how's it going guys? Instant Graphics and welcome to the Minecraft video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a raw machine gun. So make sure you watch the video until and follow this. So yeah, so the material for build this machine gun are dispenser, cobblestone, redstone, lever, hooper, comparator, arrow, and cobblestone wall. So first, place this cobblestone wall right here and right here. Place the cobblestone like this. Oops. Then place the 4 cobblestone right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this fill. And next, place the dispenser here and hook right here. 2, or you can put 1. That's okay. And place the cobblestone wall right here and place the redstone comparator like this, facing like that. And then place the redstone right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. You must place the hooper while you crouching. This and like this. So next, just fill the hooper with a rope. Oh my bad. You can put any amount in hooper. Next, put lever right here. Oh yeah. Make sure the comparator are switched on. This. And let's see how it works. First level, and it's firing by itself. See, it's pretty cool when if you have a faction. Shut up. It's really useful when you have a faction, you want to defend your base. Just build this, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.